Away from that now, the Benue State House of Assembly has passed a resolution to approach the Supreme Court of Nigeria for the interpretation of Section 292, subsection 1A11, as it pertains to the removal of a chief judge. The House took the decision during a plenary presided by the Speaker, Hassan Dajo. Mayowa Okwato reports.
After receiving a complaint from the Attorney General of the state, the House received condemnation from different quarters, including the Senate, the Nigerian Bar Association, and the National Judicial Council.
You as a federal lawmaker associate yourself with a governor who is using 3 members to pass a budget.
The House of Representatives on Wednesday, 26th of March 2025, passed for its second reading a bill to give National Judicial Council a role in the removal of a chief judge, thereby vindicating the Benue State House of Assembly. Majority Leader of the House, Tese, explained that the bill by the National Assembly means that the NJC currently has no role in the removal of the Chief Judge, as clearly stated in Section 292 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended.
This means ab initio that the National Judicial Service, the Judicial Commission, NJC, has no role in the removal of Chief Judge, as clearly stated in Section 292(1)(a)(2) of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended.
The House agreed to approach the Apex Court for proper interpretation of the section of the Constitution empowering it to recommend the removal of the Chief Judge to further put to rest the controversies surrounding its actions.
But since the governor, they were doing what they are doing, there was no... This House has 32 members. And we have 13 members are suspended. We have 19 members. This is a game of numbers. It's a game of numbers. We have 11 to pass the budget. We have more than 11.
Also, the Zone C caucus of Benue State House of Assembly, on behalf of the entire Zone C people at the plenary, distanced themselves from the call by Philip Agbese, who represents Ado, Okboku, and Ogbadibo Federal Constituency.
A total embarrassment and disgrace to the people of Zone C senatorial districts. The Benue State House of Assembly is functioning properly and effectively, and nothing close to the situation had risen in the House to warrant the National Assembly to come and take over the functions of these hallowed chambers.
The House also summoned the leadership of the Judicial Staff Union of Nigeria, Benue State Branch, to appear before its leadership on Thursday, the 3rd of April 2025, to explain in details the reason for the prolonged strike. Mayowa Okwato, TVC News, Makadi.